HealthBreak is brought to you by South Central Regional Medical Center in Laurel.
Apnea is a medical word that means without breathing. Patients with sleep apnea stop breathing during their sleep, causing them to wake up. Dr. John Wallace at South Central Sleep Center explains the effect.
This causes interference with their quality of sleep and can adversely affect their heart, blood pressure, and other systems in their body. This is just like your alarm clock going off over and over at night. Each time this happens, it wakes you up. Most are brief wake-ups and the patient does not remember and is not aware they're having sleep apnea, but it fragments and disturbs their sleep. So they wake up tired the next morning. They may be fatigued. They may not remember well. They may be moody. If they're not depressed, this may lead to depression. If they're already depressed, this may make it worse. So this does affect your brain and your brain function. Sleep apnea is a factor for weight gain. It actually affects the body and will push you to gain weight if you have sleep apnea and don't treat it. Gaining weight makes the sleep apnea worse, so the patient feels more tired and more fatigued, and then they eat for energy and they gain more weight and they kind of get caught in a vicious cycle.
Fortunately, the sleep specialists at South Central Sleep Center can help.
We will evaluate the person, take a sleep history, do a physical exam concerning their sleep, determine if they need further evaluation such as a sleep study to determine if they have sleep apnea. What we have found is more and more people, especially patients that we would not suspect of having sleep apnea, have sleep apnea and need CPAP, which stands for continuous positive airway pressure. It's a mask that you wear every night, and most patients gain the benefits of using this therapy, which affects not only their mental status but also their physical status.
If you think you may have sleep apnea, call the South Central Sleep Center at 601-426-4530 to schedule an appointment. And for more information, visit SCRMC.com. For HealthBreak, I'm Catherine Farah.
HealthBreak was brought to you by South Central Regional Medical Center in Laurel.